Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about the best tips and tricks for last war survival. Alright, let's begin. First, protect your resources. Your resources are crucial for building, upgrading, and researching in the early stages. Gather and protect them wisely. Second, disable defenses early on. Your squad may not be strong enough to fend off attackers, so disable your defenses to avoid losing valuable troops. Third, utilize survivors. Assign survivors to buildings for bonuses and faster tasks. Recruit them through radar quests and visitors, focusing on purple or orange survivors for the best bonuses. Fourth, make use of the armed truck. It gathers resources even when you're offline for up to 8.5 hours. With survivors assigned, this can extend to 14.5 hours. Fifth, prioritize tech research. Focus on development and economy branches first to speed up construction and improve resource production. So that's basically all about the best tips and tricks for last war survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!